the heart of the J-drive engine is the J-clutch drive. The J-clutch is super strong, resistant to metal fatigue, and is surface wear tolerant. Time before overhaul is equivalent or better than any component in today's piston engines. Let's cut the clutch load rotor shaft and break it out. Now let's cut the wedge grip elements in half so we can see them better. On the power stroke, the wedge is locked. The load rotor is forced to turn counterclockwise with the pinion gear. On the return stroke, the clutch unlocks. The pinion gear spins free of the load rotors. That is, the clutch-free wheels. Importantly, there is no contact between the wedges and the rotor during freewheeling. There is no freewheel friction. Air is pulled into the scavenging airbox during the top piston's upstroke. The airbox is pressurized during the top piston's downstroke. The bounce piston compression stroke takes place during the upper piston power stroke. Then the bounce piston provides the force for the upper piston's compression stroke. The piston's top style intake valve is simple, low friction, and very reliable. Air exchange, or scavenging, is ultra clean and thoroughly done. No unburned fuel is expelled with the exhaust gas. All exhaust gas is expelled. No lubricating oil is mixed with the fuel, or burned during combustion. Most free-piston engines can run at only one speed. But the J-drive engine computer rotates the bounce cylinder sleeve for speed control. Opening the sleeve slows the engine. Fully opened, the engine idles. Visit frictionphysics.com for specifications, more videos and other J-drive engine models.